Hello everyone. My name is Jojo Velarde of Pioneer Eclipse Corporation. Our company is a leading manufacturer of cleaning and sanitation chemicals and equipment. We are based in Sparta, North Carolina, USA. Today, we will share with you one of our products that would help prevent slip and fall. We will discuss the causes, business impact, and prevention of this accident. Slip and fall can occur in any part of the workplace or commercial establishment, whether inside or outside, and may result in serious injuries and significant cost to the worker, employer, or establishment. Related to slip and fall is trip. For purposes of differentiation, let's define the three. A slip occurs when there's too little traction and friction between the shoe and the walking surface. A trip occurs when a person's foot contacts an object on their way or drops to a lower level unexpectedly, causing them to be thrown off balance. A fall occurs when you are too far off balance. The most common causes of slip and fall are 1. Wet spills or contamination on floors such as liquid, dirt, oil, or food. Dry contamination on floors such as dust, powder, and debris. Third, highly polished floors or freshly waxed floors. Fourth, wet, muddy, or greasy shoes. Or any situation for that matter that compromises foot traction. This accident type impacts the following. First, the individual that slipped and fell can be a visitor or a worker. Think about the pain, lost wages, temporary or permanent disability. The employer. Think about lost productivity, cost of medical treatment. To the establishment. Think about a probable lawsuit or smeared reputation. In the case of coated floors, however, we recommend to always use UL for slip-resistant certified floor coatings. Today, however, we will focus on how to make highly polished floors that are sloped or subject to water and moisture safer. Think about a produce area in a supermarket, area around the swimming pool, entrance areas without proper matting, or bathrooms. The ideal product to treat such areas is Eclipse Anti-Slip treatment. This product is an indoor and outdoor anti-slip treatment formulated to make smooth and or wet surfaces less slippery. Eclipse Anti-Slip treatment is designed for use on concrete, ceramic, terrazzo, unpolished marble. The product works on the principle of etching. When applied, it etches the floor surface, making it microscopically rough, improving the floor's coefficient of friction, thereby reducing the potential of a slip and fall. When used as instructed, there will be no change in color and appearance. We do recommend to always test the contact time in an inconspicuous area of the floor. Leaving the product dwell too long will affect the gloss of the floor due to the etching properties of the product. Especially on glossy ceramic, one should keep the contact time short. Let me briefly explain on how to use the product. First, scrub the floor properly and rinse properly. 2. Do not attempt to apply the product in a large area at one time. A 3 to 5 square meter area is ideal. Third, make sure that the floor surface is 100% covered with the treatment and do not allow any area to dry up. When this happens, re-wet the dried up area. Fourth, Use a push brush to spread the solution. Fifth, when picking up the solution, be very careful that the mop does not overlap in the area that was not treated. It is better to use a wet and dry vacuum cleaner to pick up the solution. 6. Thoroughly rinse the treated area. As indicated, Eclipse Anti-Slip treatment will improve the coefficient of friction, thus making the occurrence of slip and falls less likely. For further information, we are of course at your disposal. And believing in the system's approach of cleaning, please ask about the complementary products to make your floors safe and keep them clean. You can contact us through the International Department at the Mano Pioneer Eclipse Corporation, telephone number 133-6372-8080. That is 133-6372-8080, or by email at intzs@pioneereclipse.com. Thank you all for watching and be safe.